Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the retro film effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to the Effects tab, Video Effects, and then Retro. Scroll all the way down to find the retro film effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Now we're going to scroll through it to check it out, bring it to the end of the clip and bring it to the beginning of the clip. And now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab and we can mess with the filter of the effect and the speed of the effect, right? So there's not much with the speed of the effect. It's just kind of changing the little pixels. I don't know if you can view it on my screen, but let's check it out. I like this effect. I'm actually probably going to use this right after I'm done filming this tutorial. Well, guys, that's the retro film effect. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.